an array of comfort and infotainment functions. It is of course available with heated and cooled seats and ambient lighting for the first time. And what I like the most, you can buy it with the massage function in the front seats and in the rear seats. Now there is a special carbon pack available for the interior. You can have personalized carbon floor mats with leather edging or illuminated door sill guards in carbon. You can also buy it with heated multifunction sport steering wheel in carbon with gear shift pedals. I love the sound system in this car. It has the Burmester high-end 3D surround sound system, which is worth the money in my opinion. And you can buy it with the preparation rear seat entertainment system. 10 different leather colors are available. You can also buy it with dual colors. This system is very responsive and easy to use, and in such a car it's needed. It's a very clever and nice system to work with. Beautiful done, Porsche. You can also control the vent, open it and close it. Down here you have two cup holders integrated and two USB inputs. You can close it. I love the carbon. This one has the Bose sound system. You can also buy it with the Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system. Little storage areas in the doors, 2 of them. It has memory seats in the front, and every part of this car is leather. Quality leather. Lovely shape of the seats. Very good padded. I like it a lot. Panamera is available with 14-way power adjustable seats in the front with memory package. Those are the comfort seats. You can also buy it with the Sport Seats Plus. These seats are 18-way adjustable adaptive sport seats with memory. You have the automatic folding mirrors with the blind spot assist and the camera underneath it. Storage compartment. Very cool and modern interior. Adjustable seats with massage function and leg extensions. You can also buy it with the ventilated seats at the front and in the back. And we are now in the driver's seat of the beautiful Panamera touchscreen, big navigation screen. Leather armrest with 2 cup holders integrated. This is the Panamera Turbo. It has also the carbon package, ESP suspension settings. This is made of glass. We are now in, you have the normal, sport and sport plus mode. The gear lever is also new. This is park, P for park, down for drive, up for reverse. You can also shift for yourself. Climate control system, fan speed, 4-zone separately, heated seats, 3 settings. You can also buy it with air conditioned seats. This is the control for the navigation system, the new navigation system, safety systems. Beautiful new system, touchscreen, media systems, phone, it supports CarPlay, navigation, which is also a new system, driving modes. This new navigation system has for the first time a split view, and I love the stopwatch on top. The carbon package makes the car more special and more sporty. The transmission is a ZF, sourced 8-speed dual clutch automatic, which is very good. When you buy the Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control Sports system, you get also the Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus system, which makes the steering even better. It is a brand new touchscreen system. Turkish. These are the car settings, trip settings, chrono package, extra information, Wi-Fi connectivity. These are the safety systems, Porsche Active Safe, lane keeping assist, lane changing assist. For the first time you have the 360 degrees camera system and the park assist. Cameras located underneath the mirrors. Panorama view. Car settings, vehicle settings, light and visibility. You can adjust the brightness of the LED lights. Seat settings. Tire pressure, steering wheel. Garage door opener. Climate control settings. Beautiful view of the new Panamera Turbo. Controls for the trip computer. Adaptive cruise control, speed limiter, navigation. Here is the adaptive cruise control, light settings, fog lights, automatic lights, LED lights in the interior. This is for the garage door home link. You have the panoramic sunroof, parking sensors, control for the sunroof,